This is how to quickly screen record on your iPhone. The first step is that you need to add it to the control of your iPhone. And to access the control, drag down from the top right. Okay, once you're there, tap on the plus sign at the top left. On tapping on the plus sign, you will see the icons will change. All right, then tap on add control. On tapping on add control, you will see some icons you can add, which are apps as well. Then tap on where you have search control, so tap there. Then type screen. Okay, you can see screen recording is there. Okay, so immediately tap on it, type in screen. It's the best match will show up as screen recording is there. So tap on that screen recording for it to be added. I'm not adding it here because I'm using it already to record this tutorial. You can tap here on an empty space, all right? And then tap on an empty space in the control again to return to home. With this, anytime you want to record, drag down from the top right to access the control. Then you will see the screen recording as one of those icons here, one of the icons here. Here I'm using it to record. So what you need to do is to long press on the screen recording. It will give you some options, whether you want to enable microphone or not. Tap on that enable microphone if you want it to capture your voice as you speak. Okay, then tap on start recording. So once the recording is done, okay, maybe you are showing you how to use an application. All right, so and at the end you are done with what you want to teach or say, drag down from the top right and tap on that screen recording icon, okay, which is blinking right now. It will stop and save the recording automatically. Once the recording is saved, you can get to the Photos app of your iPhone and you will see your recording. Most of these things here, most of the videos here are screen recorded because they are the videos I used to teach about a particular thing on iPhone or on an application. So it's that simple. So if you want to edit the video further, the screen recording, you pick it from there and start editing. If this content helps, consider subscribing, hit the like button and leave a comment. Thank you and see you some other time.